if you're here, if you're still here, welcome. We're gonna be opening, that's my cat. My cat's tail. Anyways, we're gonna be opening two build and battle boxes that I purchased from my LGS. Oh my god, what are you doing? What are you doing? No.
Ow! Ow!
You want to say hi? All right, what was I saying? Yeah, I'm super excited for Paradox Rift. So excited.
I'm so excited! I'm so excited!
I want to say more than I was for 151. I know I might get a lot of hate for that, but that's just how I feel. There's so many illustration cards in this set that I want, and my chase card is probably gonna have to be Roaring Moon. Yeah, definitely Roaring Moon. And I actually have a whole case of booster boxes coming, which I'm gonna be opening. I don't know if I'm gonna open all of them on camera. I'll probably do one and then make another video and see if I can complete the set in, you know, with one case of booster boxes. I doubt it, considering how many illustration cards there are in this set. Like Paldea, another is like, it was like similar set that had a bunch of illustration cards, and it just took a while for I'm still not done with it. I'm almost done, but it took a while. Oh god, I'm just rambling. All right, well, let's open the boxes. Okay guys, so the first build and battle box, let's see what we got. All right, here's the promo card. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 packs. Okay, 4 packs. And let's get the other one. Yes. All right. Oh, same. I got the same promo card. Okay. I hate when that happens. All right, and same 4 packs. Okay, so we got 8. We got 8 total. Let's see if we can pull anything good. And like I said, we're looking for that Roaring Moon. I'm just gonna go through these very quickly, guys. Okay, nothing yet. Here's the code card. Ugh. Okay. I need to get my binder for this set. Put that over there. Okay. Nothing. All right, code card. Oh my god, look at the milk tank. That is so cute. I guess I should go a little slower to look at the artwork since I haven't seen it yet. I'll look at it on my own time. Okay. Oh ho, we got a gold card. Oh, Latios. Luxurious cape. Nice. I'm gonna put that in the back. Code card. Not bad. I'll put that there. Okay. Not bad. Oh, put that there. Okay. Whoops. Okay. Can we get anything else? That gold card. Did it take all our luck? I really want to pull a special illustration rare. Okay, we got 4 more packs left, so that was one build and battle box. Let's see if we can get anything from the second box. Code card. Nope, nothing. That Jirachi though. Chien-Pao. Okay. Oh, Iron Valiant. Full art. That's a nice card. We'll take it. Wow. I was hoping for the illustration rare, but we will take it. Look at those. Here's the code card. Okay, 2 more packs. 2 more packs. Okay. And oh my god, guys. Oh my, oh, Deoxys. Okay, let me give you the code card. Iron Jugulus. Let's go. Not bad. Not bad. That is pretty. That is a pretty card. We'll put them here with all our other hits. All right, last pack. That was a good box. The second one was better than the first one. Yeah, didn't expect anything from the last pack. Here's the code card. All right. I should sleeve these. I need to sleeve these. Where are my sleeves? Zoink. Got them. Okay. Let's sleeve them up. Wow. Uh-oh. Okay. Oh, okay. Iron Valiant. That card is so pretty. I like the background. I feel like it makes the Pokemon just like pop. Oh my god. Iron Jugulus. So I got 2 future cards. They're both future cards. No, we didn't pull any ancient ones. Oh god, I'm so hyped for this set. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to get my booster box. And my ETBs. I got a few ETBs too from the Pokemon Center. Alright guys, well that's gonna be it. I'm happy with these. I'm happy with these from the 2 build-in battle boxes. Not so happy that I got 2 of the same promos, but can't do anything about that. Okay guys, see you in the next one. Thanks.